What's going on, everyone? Here I have in front of me is a laptop that came for me for service, and yes, it's a family member's computer. And I wanted to show you how much abuse this laptop has gone through, so let's take a look on the outside of this computer. As you see, you got some little scuff marks and little paint wear off. And on this side, there's a little rubber part of the housing that goes right here, and that's missing. There's a big, small little hole, as you can see, which you can probably tell either this laptop fell off of something or it's got smacked against the wall. Got a little scuff marks here and there from your typical wear. Surprisingly, on this side's in good shape, but I'm gonna move the camera up a little bit, and you can see that right here is a little gap. But opening it up on the inside, the little screen bezel, the bezel actually around the screen is actually cracked, but surprisingly it's still being held in by 4 screws. Because at one point, this laptop, I actually had to do a screen replacement because the screen was so cracked. But surprisingly, everything still functions: the memory, the hard drive, the motherboard, and all the disk drives and everything else on the inside. But first and foremost, always remember, you've got to take care of your laptops if you want them to last a lot longer. And you should never smack it against the wall. It's always important to have it on a flat, sturdy surface that's not going to fall or break the computer. But it does actually turn on, since I did a screen replacement. But I'm going to turn it off because I'm going to finish testing it to make sure it's working like it should before I'll let them know it's finished. But yeah, just wanted to point that out to you guys, that it's always important to take care of your computers, no matter what kind of computer it is, either a desktop or laptop, because you don't want to end up damaging a good computer that you paid a lot of good money for. So hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.